Hey everyone, Sunny here from Online Sales Funnel Academy. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you 3 ways that you can have a funnel built for you instead of having to build it yourself. Okay, so the first place that you can find people who are funnel builders is going to be in the ClickFunnels community. So I'm assuming at this point that you're going to be using ClickFunnels because it's the most powerful software on the market for this kind of thing. So what you can do is log into your back office of ClickFunnels on the dashboard, and in the upper right hand corner you're going to see a little drop down that says, I believe it's community. You're going to click on funnels, and then there's going to be a tab in there that says funnel marketplace when you go to build your funnel. And what you do is you click on that. It'll take you to some people who've registered themselves with ClickFunnels, who are professional funnel builders who are selling their funnel. So you would go through there and you would find the one that probably best suits what you're looking for. And there are different prices, and you can see which one you think is best for you. That's either pre-done, it's mostly done, to the point where the pages are ready to go. You just drag and drop your own information into the funnel. The second place that you would go to get a funnel built for you is go to Upwork. Upwork is an online community of people from all over the world who are experts at different kinds of things. So if you go to upwork.com, which I use all the time for different vendor services for everything from IT to SEO, I've used funnel builders. I've used it for all sorts of different things, writers, bloggers, all sorts of things. You can go into the search engine on Upwork and put in ClickFunnels or funnel builder or some search term like that, and you'll see a whole list of people who say that they're qualified to build your funnel. Now it's your responsibility to weed through and find out if they're just getting started, if they're 1-star, 2-star, how many reviews they have. That part's on you. You're going to have to do a little bit of homework and find out who you think is the best vendor fit for you. They do happen to have prices next to their services ranging. The benefit of going this route is if you have somebody that you can communicate with, who builds funnels all the time, this means that it's going to be probably 100% done for you. Whereas going into the funnel marketplace is mostly done, but you're still going to have to add your own information into the funnel, if that makes sense. Doing it this way through Upwork, you're hiring the vendor as if they were a 1099 employee, and it's on them to go ahead, it's your responsibility to give them your information, and you're going to communicate and probably do a Zoom call with these people, your vendor, and they're going to get information, and they're going to tweak your funnel to please you in the way that you need it to be. So the third place that you can get your funnel built Okay, so the third place that you can go to get your funnel built is inside the ClickFunnels community themselves, inside of the Facebook page. So if you are if you're using ClickFunnels, then as soon as you sign up for ClickFunnels, you get a link in the welcome email that tells you to go join the community over on the Facebook page. So what you can do is go inside the Facebook page and say, get into the main thread, and this doesn't break their terms of service, I believe, and you might want to double check with the terms of service at the top of the group. But what you should be able to do is say, I'm needing someone to help to build a funnel for me. Are there any experts in here? Please private message me. You want to make sure that you take those conversations offline. Make sure that you don't blog about them publicly inside of the group. But definitely that's a good place to find people who we're all, funnel hackers. We'll hang out in the community, and that's the third best place to find someone who might be a good fit for you to build a funnel if you're just starting out or if you just don't have the time to do it yourself. Now, keeping that in mind, there's always that the time versus money argument, right? So if you have the time to build your funnel, maybe you want to do it yourself. If you don't have any time but you have money, you're probably going to want to hire someone to just go do it for you and get it done, so your time is valuable, probably doing something else like running your business. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's videos. That was 3 ways to get a funnel built for you for your business. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed videos like this, please be sure to check out my channel. Go ahead and click the links in the description down below. And be sure to check out our monthly membership where we offer tutorials like this for $47 a month over on the Facebook page. All right, you guys, I will talk to you in the next video. See you soon. Bye-bye.